you got some pie. Ooh, let me have some of that Cool Whip.
What'd you say?
You can't have a pie without Cool Whip.
Cool Whip?
Cool Whip, yeah.
You mean Cool Whip?
Yeah, Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
You're saying it weird. Why are you putting so much emphasis on the H?
What are you talking about? I'm just saying it. Cool Whip. You put Cool Whip on pie. Pie tastes better with Cool Whip.
Say whip.
Whip.
Now say Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
You're eating hair!
First, they raised the bar with Titanfall, a new action-packed first-person shooter with jetpacks, wall running, and titans. Then another stupid company gave you Titanfall 2, with shitty jetpacks, no wall running, and low-cost titans, which would explode just by walking around. Now, it is time for a new company to fail at making a new Titanfall game. Ladies and gentlemen, 12 years olds and stupid teenagers, I present to you Titanfall 3. These games include new features such as running, sliding, double jumping, and wall running. What the fuck, you removed this feature in the second game and now it's back again? Make up your fucking mind. A mechanical arm, I guess? And even more titans, all the titans, big titans, small titans, sonic titans, you got them all! Titanfall 3. It's shittier than the first one, but sorta better than the second one. Coming sometime in September, I don't care. Fuck this shit.
Planking. It's really big on the internet. What you do? Make your body stiff as a board, see? Oh, no!